Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today we will take a look at one more new LEGO Technic set. This is a motorcycle 42170. 4 years ago in LEGO Technic was introduced the first motorcycle with gearbox, Ducati Panigale 42107. Since that set we also got two big motorcycles, BMW and Yamaha, and also simpler motorcycle without gearbox like Batcycle 42155, if I remember correctly. And now once again we have motorcycle with two-stage gearbox. So today we will find out, is it something new or it's like the same old red motorcycle but in slightly different look. So the set LEGO Technic 42170 has the same box as Ducati Panigale, the same size and almost the same number of pieces. Inside the box there were 4 big paper bags, one small paper bag with windshield, non-protected sticker sheet, and also tires, 2 wheels, and also not protected instruction book. This is a scale copy of the Kawasaki motorcycle, but it's not an 18+ set, so here we have no additional information in the beginning of the instruction. I believe we have just the usual comparison with the real motorcycle in the end. Yeah, that's real motorcycle and the LEGO Technic model side by side. Quite nice page, or actually 2 pages. One more page dedicated to functions and of course part list. There are some stickers in this set, but luckily this time we have not too many stickers. Here you can see pieces for the first step of the assembling process. Here we have a lot of gears, pieces for gearbox, also these connectors in light green, I think, yeah, light green. It's quite rare color. I don't know, I remember only one set, 42039 in this color, but sometimes for some reason LEGO introduces pieces in this bright green color. I don't know why, actually. Usual green would be nice also here. One shock absorber with stiff spring and new pieces for the fake engine. For many, not years but decades, the fake engine was created out of the same pieces from the beginning of 90s at least, and now finally we have something new in this area. We will see how it works. You can see these discs, and the XL hole has an offset, so we can connect this yellow piece to this disc. It can slide here, as you can see, and the distance between this yellow piece and the center of axis changes when I rotate the light bluish gray disc. Here the distance is minimum. You can see that yellow piece almost touches the axis, and now the distance is bigger, so it's an emulation of moving pistons. The end of the first step is a perfect moment for demonstration of these new pieces. The moving range of these pistons is about half of stud, and this system has some advantages if we compare with system where some cams or lift arms just push pins. This system also will work upside down, because here no gravity involved, and also we can use this system to create engines with different pistons allocation. We can make opposite, in a row, or V engines, and also many pistons like in some aircrafts. So it's very interesting, yeah, because actually nothing prevents to click so as many pistons to only one disc as we need. At the second step we have this long shock absorbers in light bluish gray color for the first time. Before this set, these pieces were used in pearl gold and also in black color. Now we have also in light bluish gray these brake discs like in Ducati Panigale, and more pieces in bright green, I think. Yeah, bright green, including these connectors. Usually these connectors have different color, maybe also here, but I think in this color it's very similar to other pieces. Maybe they are close to solve this problem. This is the result of the second step. Actually nothing to show here, we just added the front wheel. Now it touches the red beam. Maybe we will add some limiters later, I don't know. A lot of tubes were added, and now we should finish the rear part of the motorcycle. The third step contains some interesting pieces, for example this lift arm with perpendicular holes, and also this 11 stud long beam with perpendicular holes, two panels in black color, but now this piece has prints, Kawasaki prints. Maybe in the future we will also get this piece without print in black color. One wheel hub with this hub part with brake disc. We already seen the system in earlier motorcycles in LEGO. A lot of chain links, one more gear, and a piece like gearbox extender, but here it will be used not for gearbox and for some decoration purpose. Now our motorcycle has two wheels and also a kickstand, so we can display it, a chain to power the engine, and also a fuel tank. Looks really nice with these new panels. I think this solution looks much better than in many other LEGO Technic motorcycles. At the last step we have a lot of panels in dark bluish gray color. It's really nice. One pair of these panels, one pair of this, a lot of small, and I think 5 stud long. And also here we have new piece, one more new piece in LEGO Technic, one more windshield. It looks similar to windshield from a large BMW motorcycle, but this piece has more convenient mounting points to my mind, just 3 LEGO Technic holes in a row, because old BMW motorcycle windshield had very specific connection points, but the shape of this piece is also very specific. So the model is finished, and now we can take a look at the functions. The first function is support, so we can display the model. It works quite nice, the model is stable on it. Then we have suspension, rear suspension and front suspension. Front suspension has no limiters, so if you push it to the maximum, it will touch the frame and maybe even here. So yeah, the front suspension works not ideally, we can say. Then we have steering. Nothing special. This structure is static and only the wheel turns. And we have the engine, 4-piston engine and 2-stage gearbox. The first gear, then neutral. Okay, we have some strange bugs with gear shifter. I will show it a bit later. And the second gear. What I like here is that the engine is visible and also some gears are visible. It's really nice because sometimes, especially in motorcycle, everything is completely hidden. It's not good, but here it looks really nice, I can say. And now about the gear shifter. In one direction it works really nice. You can see it now. connectors goes up and this knob gear rotates very smoothly. But in opposite direction, this knob gear cannot go past this connector. It stuck somehow. Sometimes it goes like this, but then we have this situation. But if I a little bit rotate it opposite direction and then rotate fast to the bottom, then I can skip this, yeah, like this. You can see that, yeah, now I shifted without problem, but yeah, it looks like a bug, to be honest, not like a feature, because this mechanism works not smoothly to my mind. And I think that's all about the functions. Regarding the design, some of the elements are quite similar to the real motorcycle. Some bright green lines and also the dark bluish gray panels. I like fuel tank, but what I don't like that here we have no front fender. It's completely missed. There is no front fender at all. Oh, but we can see it here. Real motorcycle has this fender, but not in LEGO Technic model. These gray panels represent these panels, but fender is absent here. So this set is very similar to Ducati Panigale. It has the same functions, almost the same gearbox, the same tires, the same shock absorbers, only the color and types of panels differ, but in general it's the same set. It's not bad, because Ducati Panigale was introduced 4 years ago and probably it's not easy to find that set now. So it's good opportunity to take a look at old mechanisms in new shape, I can say. Regarding the pieces, here we have new pieces for piston engine, and it's really nice because I think we deserve something new for a really long time, because the engines made out of lift arms and pins or half pins, of course they work, sometimes they tend to jam actually. I received a lot of comments with mentioning of this problem. Sometimes engines created out of usual pieces work not very smoothly, but this new system must work perfectly to my mind, like upside down working and also different amount of pistons for only one disc, only one section of virtual crankshaft. So yeah, to my mind these new pieces are really promising. I really like this innovation. Please share your thoughts about this set in the comments below the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!